Have you ever felt low in your energy, or you're about to go and give a presentation or do something, but you just feel a lack of confidence, you're uncertain, and you just feel like you need a boost of confidence, a boost of energy, just a boost? Or maybe there's something just on your mind you need to get rid of. Well, this breathing technique is great for that. For some, it may feel like it's a little bit out there, so maybe you want to find a place where you can sit with yourself quietly, doors are closed, or sometimes you might feel the need to do this one right out there in public, depending on the effect you want to do. But this is lion's breath. So, lion's breath, you can't be shy for this breath. So if you're shy, just close your eyes and it'll all get better. So with lion's breath, what you do is you stick the tongue way out. You look up with the eyes. So you open the eyes wide, look up, stick the tongue out, take a breath in through the nose, and then you out the throat. So if you really hard, you'll start coughing, and that's all right. Just cough and come back to it. But otherwise, you just let yourself make that sound. The hardest part of this breath is letting yourself make that sound. So don't be shy. Let's give it a try. Sitting comfortably or standing, let's take the eyes, open them wide, and look up. Stick your tongue right out. Take a deep breath in through the nose, and make that sound. Let's do it again. Big breath in. Now I just breathed in through my mouth, and that's okay too. Just take the breath in. What's important is that on the way out. Sometimes we'll teach you with the arms open, fingers spread wide. You open up. Okay, so here we go. Give it a try. Deep breath in. Let's do it again. One more time. Close the eyes, bring the tongue back in, take a big breath in through the nose. Just release the breath. Your eyes are closed. You can speak to yourself a little bit, give yourself a boost. I've got energy. I am confident. I can do this. Whatever languaging works for you. And then open the eyes and go get them.